think most people know, but Kim is a teacher. So I had the opportunity this year to visit Kim in class, and I know Kim as Sweet Kimmy, but she can lay the hammer down too when discipline needs to be had. She's ready to give that.
But when I see the smile running across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith, and I believe.
Beautiful. I love it.
You won't find it written in the sky. You can't buy tickets.
We are so proud of the beautiful, smart woman that you have become. And remember, you will always have us older siblings as your forever bodyguards. Although now we know you have the best protector there is. Alec, take care of our baby sister.
You may kiss the bride.
Across your face and the sunrise lights up another day. I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith, and I believe.
Alec is so lucky to have you in his life, Kim. You make him so happy. You have supported his dream to play baseball at the professional level twice, and I can't thank you enough for that, because my brother's happiness means the world to me, and you sacrificed your time with him to let him chase a dream, and that's one of the biggest sacrifices anyone can make, is one person over the other.
I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind